We stand on the brink of a customer service revolution, a seismic shift fueled by the relentless power of social media. For too long, customer service was hidden away, treated as a cost center, bound by rigid scripts and endless wait times. The customer's voice? Often just a whisper, lost in the noise. But now, everything has changed. Social media has transformed the landscape, turning customers into vocal advocates, demanding transparency and responsiveness. No longer are we just answering questions, we're engaging in conversations, building relationships. This is a new era where every interaction matters, where feedback shapes our services, and where the customer is truly at the center. It's time to embrace this revolution and redefine what customer service means. Think back to those days of frustration, being stuck on hold, navigating endless automated menus, and exchanging impersonal emails. It felt like a maze with no exit. But now, we live in a digital age where everything has changed. Social media has transformed the customer experience into something powerful. A single tweet can spark a wildfire of conversation. A Facebook post can go viral overnight, and an Instagram comment can shift how we view a brand. The power dynamic has flipped. Customers no longer just seek satisfaction, they crave delight. They expect genuine relationships, not just transactional interactions. And with the click of a button, they can amplify their experiences, good or bad, to a global audience. This is the new reality. In this landscape, every interaction matters, and every voice counts. The customer is now in the driver's seat, and businesses must adapt or risk being left behind. Today, a single tweet can spark a wildfire. One Facebook post can skyrocket into a viral phenomenon overnight. An Instagram comment? It can redefine how a brand is perceived. The power has shifted dramatically. Customers no longer settle for mere satisfaction. They crave delight. They don't just want responses. They seek genuine relationships. And here's the kicker. They hold the megaphone. Their experiences, good or bad, can echo across the globe in an instant. This isn't just about transactions anymore. It's about connections. Brands that understand this dynamic can thrive, while those that don't risk being left in the dust. In this new landscape, every interaction counts and every voice matters. In just a few moments, let's dive into the transformation of customer service. Speed and responsiveness are no longer optional. They're essential. Customers expect quick solutions, and businesses that deliver stand out. Building genuine relationships is an art form. It's about connecting on a human level, understanding needs, and fostering loyalty. Then there's complaint management, a delicate dance that can turn a dissatisfied customer into a brand advocate if handled well. And let's not forget personalized engagement. Tailoring experiences makes customers feel valued and understood. Social media has flipped the script, empowering customers to voice their opinions and influence brands. Finally, data-driven insights are revolutionizing how we approach service, allowing us to anticipate needs and enhance experiences. This is the future of customer service, and it's happening now. In this digital age, customer service transcends the traditional boundaries of a department. It's a philosophy that shapes our entire approach to business. Imagine a culture where empathy is the norm, where transparency builds bridges, and responsiveness is second nature. Each interaction becomes a chance to not just meet expectations, but to exceed them, to turn a simple transaction into a meaningful connection. This isn't just about keeping up with trends. It's about fostering loyalty and trust that lasts. When we embrace this new paradigm, we create lasting value, not just for our customers, but for ourselves as well. Let's seize this opportunity to redefine what service means in our world today. Imagine a world where communication happens instantly, where customers can reach brands from anywhere, at any time, without picking up a phone or drafting an email. The rise of social media has redefined how businesses and customers interact. Once, businesses could rely on traditional methods of customer service, phone calls, physical stores, emails. But now, in this ever-connected digital age, everything has changed. The world is no longer confined to the slow pace of traditional channels. Instead, it's a fast-paced, real-time environment where customers expect quick responses and businesses must adapt. A tweet, a comment on an Instagram post, or a Facebook message can become the gateway to solving problems or even creating a deeper connection between a brand and its customers. I remember the last time I had an issue with a product. I shot off a message on social media, and then I waited. With each passing minute, my frustration grew. It's wild how, in this digital age, we expect instant responses. Studies show that 60% of us want to reply within an hour. That's not just a statistic. It's a reflection of how we've evolved as consumers. When a company responds quickly, it feels like magic. Suddenly, a negative experience flips into a positive one. It's not just about fixing the problem, it's about feeling valued. Fast, thoughtful responses create moments of delight that linger. In a world craving connection, businesses that get this right don't just earn our loyalty, they turn potential complaints into glowing endorsements. Speed matters, and it can make all the difference. When a customer leaves a glowing review on our Instagram page, it's not just a compliment, it's an opportunity. I take a moment to craft a personalized thank you message. This isn't just about a single sale, it's about building a relationship. Engaging with customers on social media allows us to connect on a deeper level. I love sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of our team and celebrating our milestones together. It's these authentic interactions that turn one-time buyers into loyal advocates. Social media isn't just a tool for addressing questions or complaints. It's a vibrant community where we can join conversations and show our true selves. The more we communicate genuinely, the more we resonate with our audience, creating a lasting bond that goes beyond transactions. Handling customer complaints today is a game changer. In the past, complaints could be brushed aside, but now they're out in the open for everyone to see. One unhappy customer can turn into a viral sensation, and suddenly a brand's reputation is on the line. But here's the silver lining. This is a golden opportunity to shine. Picture this. A customer tweets about a product issue. Instead of ignoring it, the brand jumps in, acknowledges the problem, and offers a solution. They don't stop there. They follow up to ensure everything's resolved. This proactive approach doesn't just fix the issue. It showcases genuine care and commitment. When handled well, a complaint can transform into a powerful moment that resonates with everyone watching. It's about turning a negative into a positive, showing the world that exceptional customer service is not just a policy, but a core value. Creating memorable consumer experiences hinges on personalization, and social media is the perfect stage for this. Imagine a consumer tweets about their love for a product. When a brand responds thoughtfully, acknowledging their unique interests and even suggesting a new product tailored to their preferences, it transforms a simple interaction into a meaningful connection. This is where social listening comes into play. By monitoring conversations, brands can gain invaluable insights into consumer preferences. They can adapt their offerings and responses, ensuring they resonate deeply with their audience. This attention to detail not only strengthens the bond between the brand and the consumer, but also crafts experiences that feel truly personalized. In a world overflowing with choices, it's these tailored interactions that make a brand unforgettable. Social media has transformed customer service into a dynamic community experience. It's not just about businesses helping customers anymore. It's about customers helping each other. You see it all the time. Customers answering questions, sharing tips, and offering advice right on the company's page. This creates a vibrant support network. Brands can enhance this by encouraging customers to share their stories, post tutorials, or provide feedback on new features. Some even launch customer ambassador programs, empowering loyal fans to assist others. When customers become advocates for a brand, it fosters a self-sustaining support system, lightening the load on traditional customer service. This community-driven approach not only builds loyalty, but also enriches the overall customer experience. Imagine a company that dives deep into its social media analytics. They're not just looking at numbers, they're uncovering real conversations. What are customers saying? What complaints keep popping up? What posts spark the most engagement? By analyzing these insights, they can tackle individual issues while spotting broader trends. This isn't just about reacting, it's about evolving. Fine-tuning products based on feedback, adjusting marketing strategies to resonate better, and responding to customer sentiment in real time. It's a dynamic approach that keeps the business agile and in tune with its audience. Social media analytics are a treasure trove of data, empowering companies to make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. This is how customer service transforms from reactive to proactive, continuously improving and adapting to meet ever-changing needs. Customer service on social media is more than just a quick fix. It's a strategic investment in a brand's future. When businesses focus on creating positive experiences, they're not just resolving issues, they're building relationships. Every interaction is an opportunity to turn a dissatisfied customer into a loyal advocate. These advocates don't just share their stories, they amplify them, influencing countless potential customers. In today's digital landscape where a single tweet can reach thousands, exceptional customer service can be a game changer. It's about cultivating goodwill that lasts, transforming ordinary customers into passionate supporters who drive your brand forward. The impact of great service? It's not just immediate, it echoes through time, shaping perceptions and fostering loyalty. As we move forward, social media is transforming customer service in ways we never imagined. Consumers today expect instant responses and genuine interactions, and businesses have a golden opportunity to rise to the occasion. Think about it. Social media isn't just a marketing tool, it's a dynamic platform for real-time conversations. When a customer reaches out, it's not just about solving a problem, it's about creating a memorable experience. Imagine turning a simple inquiry into a moment of surprise and delight. This is where brand loyalty is born. By engaging authentically, companies can build lasting relationships that go beyond transactions. So the next time you think of customer service, remember, it's not just about answering calls or emails. It's about being present, being human, and making every interaction count.